How to speed up video in CapCut Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device. And as you launch the CapCut application, simply tap on the new project option. And as you tap on new project, you can just sign in over here and then select any of the project and then tap on add. Now as you tap on add, it will be added to your project. So just tap on the video, and as you tap on the video, you can see different options at the bottom of the screen. So you can see the option of speed as well. So just tap on speed, and as you tap on speed, you can just see different options. So just tap on normal and you can select different range of the speed up. So here you can see the video has been sped up. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.